Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. In my last videos I had some problems with the electrics. Point number 13, this monkey stopped working, and it turned out to be the lead-free solder caused a dry joint and the wire parted. So that's me for life. I will not use lead-free solder anymore. It's absolutely rubbish, really rubbish. Trying to get a good continuity joint is almost impossible. There she goes. I also had troubles with the B17 pulling two coaches up this big gradient here. And you watch this little terrier with same two carriages on. Struggling a little bit, but look at that. That's just done what the B17 struggled to do, so it makes me wonder what's going on. There's the B17 sitting up there on the main line, having some time out. I've managed to work out why I couldn't use my reversing loop and why it fouled. Simply because I've got two relays missing, and I just didn't have it in my head what was going on here. I've slept on it for a couple of nights and it just popped into my head what I've got wrong. So yes, I'll show you. Why the B17 just come to a halt there? It's because the bus wires are here and there's a plastic joint there. Oh, look out, who's sneaking up on us again? And it's just a question of understanding, because these feed wires are not connected. So it's all made sense all of a sudden. I know what I've got to do. I've got to buy a couple of switches to enable the reversing loop to work properly, and then we should be in business. And this box turned up in the post. I had no idea who it was from. It turns out it's from a fellow model railway man called Ashley. He's on the Isle of Wight. I will give you a better look in this box later, but yeah, you can see there's some nice things in there. I can't thank you enough, Ashley. I'm going to use some of it as spares, and some of it will be on the layout in my preservation railway section too. So thanks, Ashley on the Isle of Wight. I can't thank you enough, mate. Can't believe it either. Thank you. So how come this little terrier can do, without much trouble, what the B17 struggled to do? It's hard to believe. He's only on a quarter throttle, or should I say regulator, and look at her go. I can't believe that. What are you up to now, Ginty? She just doesn't care. Gradients? What gradients? I'm starting to wonder how strong on its dainty wheels my B17 is. Yeah, this was the naughty part. The red wire pulled off the centre pin terminal, on closer inspection with a little tug, the black wire just pulled clean off too. So yeah, lead-free solder, don't go with it. Now this Terrier's turning out to be a beautiful machine. I can't believe it can drag 2 carriages up there without making a fuss, really. I'm really pleased with this little loco, I really am. But I'm going to leave it now because it is a short video, just to make up, just to make up for the running problems I had the other day. Listen to that, absolutely silent. So it's Al in the loft. Big thank you to Ashley again, and I want to put this one up just as a COVID special. Then I'm back on to building the station building. So catch you again soon. That's Al in the loft. Take care everyone, bye bye.